Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make plants bloom flowers. First, let's talk about light, which is absolutely crucial. Most flowering plants need at least 6 hours of direct sunlight every single day to produce those beautiful blossoms. If your plant isn't getting enough light, it's a common reason for a lack of flowers. For indoor plants, remember to rotate them regularly, perhaps once a week, so all sides get even exposure. Next up, proper watering and soil are key. You want to water your plants deeply, but consistently, letting the top 1 inch of soil dry out between waterings to avoid overwatering. Good drainage is super important to prevent root rot, which can quickly hinder flowering. For potted plants, always use a high-quality, nutrient-rich potting mix to give your plants the best foundation for blooming. Now, let's talk about feeding and shaping your plants. Fertilize with a bloom-boosting formula, one that's higher in phosphorus, every 2 to 4 weeks during the growing season. This really encourages flower production. Also, don't forget to deadhead or remove spent flowers. This simple act signals to the plant to produce new buds instead of putting energy into seed production, leading to more continuous blooms. Pruning leggy growth also helps redirect energy. Finally, keeping your plants healthy and happy involves pest control and a stable environment. Regularly inspect your plants for any signs of pests and address them quickly with appropriate solutions. Maintaining consistent temperatures and humidity levels, specific to your plant's needs, is also vital for stress-free growth and flowering. And remember, good air circulation around your plants helps prevent fungal issues, keeping them robust and ready to bloom.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.